Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in crude oil. We'll do the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame. We'll analyze the trend of the market and also find out the trading ranges for the coming week. Please use all the ranges forecasted here as a reference for deciding on your entry and exit on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I'm drawing a line over here. It has come down up to the level of 61.89 and it formed a double bottom pattern. Then it started its bullish trend and it had also crossed the previous high of 84.85 and it is continuously on a very strong bullish trend. And currently when we notice the price action, it gave a spike up to the level of 100.34, but the candle only closed near the level of 95.74. The range between this area will be acting as a very strong resistance because only a spike has gone here. When we look at the past price action, we can notice that it has been a very strong resistance zone or some sort of consolidation had happened, and from this level the price has fallen. So this 95.94 was acting as a very strong support and resistance previously. So if the price action needs to continue with its bullish trend, it has to break this resistance zone of 100.34 and 95.74. And you also know that this sudden spike happened due to the Ukraine-Russia war, and if the war situation changes, we can expect a retracement from this level. And overall, when we look at the price action, I am drawing a trend line to test the trend of the market. The trend line has been respected and the body of the candle did not break this trend line or the support line. And I am drawing the resistance line also. We can understand that the price action is still moving on a bullish trend. Every time it retraces on the bullish side, it always makes a new high. So the bullishness is still there in this currency pair. But whenever it tests this resistance level, you can notice that it always makes a sort of a consolidation, then a trend reversal happens. And currently when we notice the price action, you can notice that it is sort of making a consolidation or a double top pattern, and if the previous high or this resistance level is not breached, we can expect a bearish trend reversal to happen. Let us mark the resistance and support levels in daily time frame. So I've used the Fibonacci's extension tool to actually find out the retracement level. When we look at the resistance zone, this area between 100.93 and 95.7 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone, and currently the price action is still trading within a resistance area. When we look at the past price action, this level had acted as a very strong resistance and support zone. So currently the price action is actually trading within a resistance zone. Soon we can expect a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair, and if the trend reversal happens, we can expect it to retrace 78%, 60% or 50% of the Fibonacci's retracements level. And we have to also compare with the past support level or resistance level. When we look at 50 level, we have already the resistance zone existing over here, which is around 77.09 and 74.41. So if the retracements happens, I am expecting the currency pair to take support at this level and to again continue its bullish trend. And overall, when we look at the price action also, it was on a very strong bullish trend and it will be making only a retracement. We can expect it to take support on this trend line or the support line, then again continue its bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this 65.24, which is the previous low, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Till the currency pair is in a very strong bullish trend. And these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, you can notice that previously the price action spiked up to 161%, which is around 100.96 level. Then the retracement has started. This whole spike happened due to the Ukraine and Russia war tension, and if the war tension situation changes, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in this currency pair. And we also have the resistance line which was drawn in the daily time frame. Currently the price action has broken this resistance line and it is trading below this resistance line. I have also drawn the trend line or the support line for hourly time frame. Currently the price action has taken support on this level and it is sort of under consolidation. So the price action needs to break this level of 88.93, the past support level, in order to start its bearish trend reversal. Currently when we notice the direction of the trend line or the support line, it is still in a bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels using Fibonacci's tool. So the values marked in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is taking support on this trend line or the support line, and it has already retraced up to the 78.60%, and if the price action breaks this trend line, we can expect it to take support on the level of 88.93. Only if the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall or a bearish trend reversal. Still it is trading within a bullish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we have the trend line from the hourly time frame running over here, and the price action has taken support on this trend line and has given a sign of bullish trend reversal. It has also broken this trend line or the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels using Fibonacci's tool. So these are all the Fibonacci's resistance and support levels. So if the price action goes on a bullish side, this will be the 78% retracement level, and this will be the 100% retracement level, which is going to be around 94.16. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect a bullish trend to start, and next level of resistance is going to be around 95.74. This is from the higher time frame resistance level, and if the price action bounces back on the bearish side, we can expect the next level of support around 90.49, and only when the price action breaks this support level of 88.87, we can expect a bearish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. As long as the price action is trading within this support level, we can expect a range 1 market or a bullish trend to start. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the market in 5 minutes time frame, as explained in 30 minutes time frame, the trend line or the resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame has been easily breached, and I have drawn one more support line over here, and it has taken support on this trend line. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend, and we have the support line or the trend line from the hourly time frame running over here. So if the price action needs to come on a bearish trend, it has to break this support line in order to start its bearish trend reversal. Let us mark the support and resistance levels using Fibonacci's tool. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and currently it is trading between this 78.60 and 61.80% level in Fibonacci's tool. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.